Hi, I'm Sylvia. I'm from Hungary and Australia. I just finished my 200-hour yoga teacher training at Vinyasa Yogashala school. I had a very fulfilling time here. The people were all wonderful, both the students and the teachers. The teachers have a lot of wisdom to share. I grew a lot in this short amount of time. The programs were also very fulfilling. The routine, getting up early, doing the classes, it became a really nice lifestyle. The food was also excellent, made with a lot of love. I highly recommend this experience. Namaste.